Hello, my little ones. How are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. I am Sujata ma'am, and today in numeracy space we will revise all the pre-number concepts. But first, we'll start with full and empty. Children, we will first revise the pre-number concept full and empty from our textbook. The fridge is full. It has too many things in it. देखो कितनी सारी चीजें हैं फ्रिज में. This fridge is empty. उसमें कुछ है नहीं. The glass is empty. उसमें कुछ नहीं है. This glass is full. It is full of juice. The cups are full. They are full with yummy ice cream. Yes. These cups are empty. उसमें कुछ है नहीं. Did you understand? Full मतलब भरा हुआ, empty मतलब खाली. Full and empty. Children, I'll show you some more examples of full and empty. Full and empty. Full मतलब भरा हुआ, empty मतलब खाली. This bowl is full of beads. इसमें कितने सारे beads है? This bowl is empty. Full, empty. This dish is full of chips. This dish is empty. I hope you have understood the concept of full and empty. Children, after learning the pre-number concept empty and full, now we will learn a pre-number concept more and less. Now let us see. Children, now let us revise the concept more and less. Pre-number concept more and less from our notebook. See, the trees are more. बहुत सारी trees हैं and the bushes are less. More trees, less bushes. The birds are more. The birds are more. The dogs are less. Dogs कम है, birds ज़्यादा है. The butterflies are less. The butterflies are less. And the flowers are more. More मतलब ज़्यादा, less मतलब कम. More, less. Children, now let us see some more examples of more and less. See this dish. They are full of chocolates. So there are many chocolates. So they are more. In this dish there are few chocolates. So they are less. More, less. More मतलब ज़्यादा, less मतलब कम. There are many pens here. So they are more. There are few pens here. So they are less. More, less. ज़्यादा कम. Children, now let us learn a new pre-number concept, that is long and short. Children, now let us do the pre-number concept long and short first from our maths class workbook. Ted has short hair. Short मतलब छोटे बाल है टेड के. Lynn has long hair. उसके बाल लंबे हैं. Short मतलब छोटा, long मतलब लंबा. This is a long tag. ये लंबा टैग है. This is a short tag. ये छोटा है. Long, short. This is a short bench. ये छोटी बेंच है. This is a long bench. ये लंबी बेंच है. Long मतलब लंबा, short मतलब छोटा. Children, now let us see some more examples of long and short. Long मतलब लंबा, short मतलब छोटा. This scale is long. ये स्केल लंबा है. This scale is short. ये स्केल छोटा है. Long, short. This pen is long. This pen is long. This sketch pen is short. Long मतलब लंबा, short मतलब छोटा. Children, now we will revise the pre-number concept heavy and light. Children, now let us revise the pre-number concept heavy and light from our maths class workbook. The elephant is heavy and the rabbit is light. Elephant is heavy, उसका वजन ज़्यादा है. Rabbit is light, उसका वजन कम है. Heavy, light. The car is heavy. The bicycle is light. The car is heavy. The bicycle is light. The hillock is heavy. The pebbles are light. Pebbles मतलब छोटे छोटे पत्थर. वो लाइट होते हैं और ये बड़ा पत्थर हिलॉक है वो हैवी होता है, हैवी लाइट। चिल्ड्रन नाउ लेट अस सी सम मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ हैवी एंड लाइट। हैवी मतलब जिसका वजन ज्यादा है, लाइट मतलब जिसका वजन कम है। व्हाट इज दिस? ये स्टोन है, क्या है? वो हैवी है। और ये क्या है? फेदर है, फेदर बहुत लाइट है, हैवी लाइट। व्हाट इज दिस? ये ग्लास जार है, उसका वजन ज्यादा है। और ये क्या है? ये प्लास्टिक बॉटल है, इसका वजन कम है। तो ये ज्यादा वजन है मतलब हैवी, ये कम वजन है मतलब लाइट। Now we will revise the pre-number concept day and night. Children, now let us learn the pre-number concept day and night from our maths classwork book. What is this? Sun. We see the sun during the day and we see the moon during the night. So what do we see during the day? The sun, the clouds and the birds going out for their meal. And what do we see during night? The moon, the stars and the birds coming back to their nest. So what do we see during the day? Sun, clouds and birds going out. And what do we see during night? At night it is very dark. We see the moon, we see the stars, we see the birds coming back to their nest. And we also see bats at night. So day and night. To learn the concept of day and night more clearly, let us see some more examples. What do we see during the day? We see the sun. What do we see during night? We see the moon. So let us first see what do we see during the day. We see the sun, we see the clouds, we see an empty nest. Why empty? Because the birds go out for their meal. And flowers blooming and butterflies during the day. What do we see at night? We see the moon, the stars, the birds coming back at home, so the full nest and bed we see at night. After revising day and night, let us now revise wet and dry. Children, now let us learn the pre-number concept wet and dry from our maths classwork book. The lady is dry. The lady is dry. The kids are wet. They are getting wet in the rain. Wet मतलब गीला, dry मतलब सूखा. The books are dry. The boats are wet. The books are dry. The boats are wet. The ducks are wet. The woodpecker is dry. It's raining on the duck. So वो गीले है. The woodpecker is under in the tree. वो सूखा है इसलिए dry है. Children, and let us see some more example of wet and dry. See, the fish is in the water, so the fish is wet. The keg is dry. The fish is wet. The keg is dry. This shell is wet. It is in the water, and this shell is dry. This shell is wet, and this shell is dry. Wet मतलब गीला, dry मतलब सूखा. Children, now let us revise the pre-number concept near and far. Children, now let us revise the pre-number concept near and far. These birds are near. ये birds बहुत पास है. Near the cloud. These birds are far from the cloud. These birds are near the cloud. These birds are far. Near मतलब पास, far मतलब दूर. The red car is far from the pink house. Pink house से red car दूर है. The blue car is near the blue house. The blue car blue house के पास है. Far and near. Far and near. The red flowers are far from the black bench. ये black bench से red flowers दूर है. The white flowers are near the brown bench. The white flowers are near the brown bench. Brown bench के पास है. Children, now let us see some more example of near and far. Near मतलब पास, far मतलब दूर. The tractor is near the green car. The tractor is near the green car. The aeroplane is far from the green car. The aeroplane is far from the green car. ट्रैक्टर ग्रीन कार के पास है, एरोप्लेन ग्रीन कार से दूर है. The brown cow is near the sheep. The brown cow is near the sheep. And the black and white cow is far from the sheep. तो ब्राउन काउ शीप के पास है और ब्लैक एंड वाइट काउ शीप से दूर है. नियर, फार. Now let us revise the pre-number concept. Push, pull. Children, now let us revise the pre-number concept push and pull from our maths class workbook. Push मतलब धक्का देना, pull मतलब खींचना. Push मतलब धक्का देना, pull मतलब खींचना. This man is pulling the door. वो अपनी तरफ खींच रहा है. This man is pushing the door. वो डोर को धक्का दे रहा है. This man is pulling the trolley. ये पुल कर रहा है ट्रॉली को. This man is pushing the dustbin. वो डस्टबिन को पुश कर रहा है. यहाँ दो पीपल है, दो पर्सन. Two people are, one is pushing the table and the other is pulling the table. Push, pull. Children, now let us see some more example of push and pull. See, I want to close the door, so I'll push the door. I'll push the door. If I want to open the door, I will pull the door. Push, pull. See, I am pushing the caterpillar towards the flowers. I am pulling the caterpillar from the flowers. Push, pull. Push, pull. Children, what did we do today? We revised all the pre-number concepts that we had done earlier. I hope you will practice them nicely at home. See you later. Till then, bye-bye.